just got to my sister's house and I wanted to show you all what it's looking like. I think it's gonna get a little cold tonight. I gotta look at the weather. The broccoli, I don't know what broccoli's supposed to be doing, but I might be zipping this up and then having her unzip it tomorrow morning. Hopefully she'll remember, because I don't want my stuff to go bad. But the leaves are feeling, they feel like a little better. They're not like, well, they are a whole lot better. They feel a whole lot better. I'm trying to see if there's anything in there yet. No, nothing just yet. Nothing's coming. It's okay. I'm hoping I get something. We shall see. I don't know how long it takes for like broccoli to. This one, I have no faith in this one. Let's go look at the back. I still have yet to dump these. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. And okay, everything, this stuff is starting to look better. Okay, at this point I forget what this is. I think this was collards. This was collards. It's starting to look a little better. Okay. Oh, and my kale is starting to look better. Spinach is growing back. Maybe in another 2 weeks I can get some more spinach. We'll see. Now, if I've said it 1,000 times, but if I would have started this back in August, this stuff would have done so well. It would have done so well if I would have just started it back in August. Yeah, these feel like the ones in the front. Yeah, so I have not been covering it up because it hasn't been too cold. So let me actually look and see what the temperature is going to be tonight. Looks like it's going to be, the lowest is going to be 29 in the morning. I think that'll be fine. I'm not going to cover them up. I was, but I'm not. Once it gets down to like 25-ish is when I think I should cover them up. Well, I guess this was a short video. I don't have anything to show you guys. And I was going to water this stuff. But, yeah, this stuff is still super wet. So, no, I'm not going to water it. Not going to water anything either. Well, this is nice. I'm happy like that it's starting to look a little better. They still on the struggle bus, but they coming. They coming. This one is showing us behind, honey. Thank goodness, because I was scared. Y'all know I'm always like overthinking everything. Anyways, thank you all so very much for watching today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.